So we all saw the rumors that Hayden Degan could or may have been racing a 450 at A1 for American Supercross. Now I'm saying American Supercross because he is right now racing a 450 in World Supercross. We've seen that, and that kind of led credence to the rumor. But in his YouTube video, according to him, his dad, Ralph Shaheen, no, it's not true. He's going to be racing a 250, and whether you love him, hate him, you have to admit, I guess if you hate him, you can probably debate this, but you have to say he's going to be a title favorite, no matter if it's defending his title on the coast he was, going to the different coast, no matter who he's racing against, he's going to be a title favorite. He has to be. I mean, if you hate him, you can fight it all you want, but he is probably one of the most talented 250 riders right now. Not probably, definitely. I mean, and obviously with the news of Joe Shimoda being injured, that takes a huge competitor out of it. That's just the truth. I mean, whether they were going to be on the same coast or not, it's one of the main people for him to be racing against out for the season, or at least out for Supercross. And for him, it's smart. You switched gear sponsors and you got a big old bag of money from that. So for them, it's going to look good. If he can go out, collect wins with the new gear, it's going to be smart for him, especially. You get race bonuses, you get championship bonuses. You can go for, well, I guess you can't do the SMX title because he's going to be moving up to 450s. So he'll be out of the points for that. But either way, if you can get, sweep the season or get 75% of the wins, there's a ton of money right there. If you can get the Supercross title, there's a ton of money right there. And at the age you are, why not go for it? Pad the stats a little bit more in your 250 career. If you can win a second title to go along with the SMX titles and all the amateur stuff, whatever, why not? You're going to be racing a 450 for the next decade or whatever it's going to be. So take the extra, it's not even a year. Take the extra season, take the extra 4 months or whatever it is for a full Supercross season. Collect the giant checks and just live. He's going to be competitive. He's going to be one of the top guys. And when he moves up to 450, you're going to expect that too. Give him an extra year to get maybe a little more muscle on, fully develop, I don't know what you want to call it, and just why push it? Obviously right now and for the next decade, again, it's going to be him and Jet Lawrence. You would expect to be the top guys. Obviously you're going to have Tomac around for a couple years, Webb around for a couple years, Roxon, Anderson, all those. But a lot of those guys after that are going to be retiring soon. Lawrence and Deegan are going to be the big names for the next decade. So take the year, take the season, whatever, collect the money, pad the stats, race a 250, move up to the 450s for motocross, and just have a good time of it. Obviously, right now, World Supercross doesn't matter. Let's be honest here. The title, nobody really cares about, especially considering how bad their marketing is right now. With, you look at the South Africa race where they're saying, Roxon's definitely going to be there. Webb is definitely going to be there. Oh, no, Roxon's not. Webb is a wild card. He's not going. It's money and it is a title, but it doesn't really have any sort of bearing. I don't think when you really think about it. I don't think anybody's putting the World Supercross title right up there with, the American motocross title, or not motocross title, Supercross title. Sorry, correct me. But at this point, it's just pure fun. You get out there. For him, he gets to travel to Buenos Aires, to Australia, race a 450 against some of the bigger name guys, see where he falls with no expectations, no issues, no problems, whatever. Just go out and have fun and see where you're going. But obviously, I'm excited for A1. Whether he's racing West Coast or not, I don't know. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Good idea to race 250. Do you think he should just move up to the 450 for Supercross? Whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.